Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to thank you for the observations made right at the very beginning, where the members have been reminded of limiting their debate within certain rules and to confine themselves to the relevant subjects. I feel that has greatly helped us stop. There has been a saving in time, and that has had a very good effect. Stop, sir. With your indulgence, if I go back, I thought when we ring out the old and ring in the new, we start the new year with happier thoughts, more optimistic tone, and better ways of cooperating and working together. Stop. I thought the year that has passed by with all adverse comments and things which are really affecting the economy, inflation and condition of the country, inflation and conditions of the country to some extent was a thing of the past, and we were starting a new era with a more optimistic note and a greater confidence, and also with a greater spirit of participation and coordination. Stop. My honorable friend, who I think is not only a great mathematician but also an economist, because some years ago he presented an alternate budget, if I am not mistaken, said that we enforced emergency only to continue in power. Stop. I leave to his wisdom, and he also said that we were deliberately misleading the House. Stop. He further said that we were suffering from many delays and many deficiencies and various other things. Stop. Certainly, we do realize that there are many things which have to be improved. Stop. We also realize that there is a great scope for economy. Stop. We also need for improvement. Stop. At the same time, I certainly would beg of the honorable member there, who is a very learned member too, that we have no intention of ever misleading the House. Stop. We never did it in the past, nor do we intend to do in the future. Stop. I do hope that he has the eyes not only to see and ears not only to hear, but at the same time he will cast his net a bit wider and see the things which have improved the economy and created a better country for him and for us, which will have an effect not only here but also abroad. Stop. With these few remarks in the beginning, I would like to refer to some of the demands which have been made. Stopera. My friend raised certain specific points about dearness allowance. Stop. Of course, 5 installments of dearness allowance have been sanctioned, and it is true that demands have also been made for the 6th one. Stop.